What if I told you that anyone, regardless of their background or current financial situation, could develop the mindset of a millionaire? It's not about luck, inheritance, or having the perfect circumstances. It's about thinking differently, making smarter choices, and developing the habits of successful people. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 simple steps to develop a millionaire mindset and start thinking the way wealthy individuals think, so you can level up your life and finances. Let's dive in. When we think of millionaires, we often imagine people with piles of money, fancy cars, and big houses. But the truth is, what sets millionaires apart isn't just their wealth, it's the way they think. Developing a millionaire mindset isn't just about making money, it's about how you view opportunities, challenges, and growth. It's about cultivating the right beliefs and habits that allow you to think like a successful entrepreneur. And the best part? Anyone can adopt this mindset with practice. Now let's go over the 5 simple steps that will transform the way you think and set you on the path toward financial freedom. Step 1. Cultivate an abundance mentality. The first step in developing a millionaire mindset is adopting an abundance mentality. Millionaires see the world as full of opportunities. They believe there's more than enough success, wealth, and resources for everyone. This mindset is the opposite of a scarcity mentality, where you believe that there's only a limited amount of wealth and you have to fight to get your piece of it. People with a scarcity mindset see others as competition and constantly worry about running out of resources. On the other hand, those with an abundance mindset focus on opportunities. They believe that if one door closes, another will open. They see competition as a chance to grow and innovate, not something to fear. Example: think about people like Elon Musk or Oprah Winfrey. They've always embraced the idea that success is limitless, and they've created huge empires by seeing problems as opportunities to innovate. Instead of worrying about limited resources, they focused on creating more. To shift your own mindset, start by celebrating the success of others. When someone wins, instead of feeling jealous or threatened, ask yourself, what can I learn from them? How can I create my own opportunities? Step 2. Focus on growth and self-improvement. Millionaires are always learning and growing. They believe that their abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, learning, and perseverance. They don't believe in fixed abilities. They believe in the power of growth. In fact, one of the most common habits of successful people is that they read and consume new information constantly. Whether it's books, podcasts, online courses, or even networking with people who can help them grow, millionaires are always finding ways to expand their knowledge. Example: Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world, spends about 80% of his day reading. He once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Actionable tip: set aside time each day for self-improvement. Read books or listen to podcasts related to personal development, investing, or your field of interest. The more you invest in your own growth, the more you'll position yourself for long-term success. Step 3. Set big, bold goals and take action. Millionaires don't set small, easy-to-achieve goals. They set big, bold, audacious goals that scare them a little, because they know that the bigger the goal, the bigger the reward. They also break their goals down into actionable steps and take consistent, focused action every day. The key to achieving anything great is not only dreaming big, but also doing the work. Example: think about Richard Branson. He started Virgin Airlines with no experience in the airline industry. But his bold goal of changing the way people fly led him to create one of the most successful airline companies in the world. He didn't let fear or uncertainty stop him. Instead, he embraced action and moved forward with a clear goal in mind. To apply this to your own life, start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Once you have a clear vision of what you want, break those goals into smaller tasks and commit to taking action every single day, no matter how small the step. Step 4. Learn to manage your money wisely. While having the right mindset is crucial, financial discipline is what separates the wealthy from the rest. Millionaires know that in order to grow their wealth, they must manage their money wisely. This doesn't just mean saving money. It means investing and finding ways to make your money work for you. They're often not afraid to take calculated risks, but they always make informed decisions before making financial moves. They know how to balance spending and saving while focusing on long-term wealth building rather than short-term gratification. Example, take the case of billionaire investor and philanthropist Ray Dalio. He started by saving a small amount, but he quickly learned how to invest wisely and diversify his income streams. He believes in learning from failures and mistakes, which helped him grow his wealth over time. To improve your own financial habits, start by understanding the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing. There are plenty of resources available, from stock market apps to real estate investments, that can help you make your money work for you, just like millionaires do. Step 5. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded people. The people you spend the most time with can either elevate your mindset or hold you back. Millionaires know this, and that's why they surround themselves with people who challenge, inspire, and support them. You've probably heard the saying, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." This couldn't be truer. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity or people who don't believe in success, it'll be much harder for you to develop a millionaire mindset. Instead, millionaires seek out mentors, coaches, and peers who push them to be better and who are already achieving the level of success they aspire to. Example, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett are known for their close friendship and mentorship relationship. Even though they are 2 of the wealthiest people on the planet, they still learn from each other and hold each other accountable. To implement this step, start seeking out communities of people who share similar goals and values. Whether it's joining networking groups, finding a mentor, or even connecting online with like-minded individuals, surrounding yourself with positive influences will help you grow faster. So there you have it, the 5 simple steps to developing a millionaire mindset. 1. Cultivate an abundance mentality. See opportunities, not limitations. 2. Focus on growth and self-improvement. Never stop learning. 3. Set big, bold goals and take action. Don't be afraid to aim high. 4. Learn to manage your money wisely. Make your money work for you. 5. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded people. Build a supportive network. These steps won't happen overnight, but the more you practice them, the closer you'll get to achieving your financial and personal goals. Now it's time to ask yourself, are you ready to develop a millionaire mindset and take control of your future? If you're committed to making these changes, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because more life-changing tips are on the way.